Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time of day it is where you are. Thank you for stopping by. Rev-Kev and the Root. I want to read from a passage of scripture, and one of the passages of scripture I want to read is found in the book of James, chapter 4. It says, "From whence come wars and fightings among you? Come they not hence even of your lust that war in your members? Ye lust and have not, ye kill and desire to have and cannot obtain. Ye fight in war, yet ye have not because ye ask not." Also, another passage of scripture that I want to share is found in the book of Genesis chapter 4. And the man knew Eve, his wife, which means that they had relations when it says he knew her. He knew Eve, his wife, and she conceived and bore Cain and said, I have gotten a man with the help of the Lord. And again, she bore his brother Abel. And so I want to talk to you about these two brothers. Cain was a tiller of the ground, and Abel was a shepherd. And uh, Cain slew his brother. He offed him. He unalived him, as they say. And so, where is the accountability? But we see that was accountability for Cain, but there is a lot of this going on in the land today, especially in the Middle East and even in the Western societies of the world. And so, where is the accountability? For the bloodshed that is going on. And I want to examine this in these series of videos coming up very shortly. And so I hope you'll tune in again to Rev Kev and the Root as we look through the lens of Scripture